So I started off as a facilitator primarily, and as the years went by, I realized I really enjoyed the lesson planning aspect of it, and I started to look around and see what was available. And what really drew me to this program specifically in this university is just the outreach, the care. Like every response was very thoughtful. Everyone I interacted with, from the point of just sending that first, "Hey, I think I'm interested," it's immediate. Like, "Hey, how can we help you? This is what you would need." Like constant communication, and they really take pride in ensuring that you understand the requirements and what this is all about. And it was just from the very beginning a wonderful experience. Obviously, you gain so much knowledge, but what I saw really come to fruition or just transform me was the confidence it gave me. Because a part of me knew all these things, or knew the adult learning theory and like different models that we use, but it really gave me the confidence in myself to start to, like, I guess, put myself out there. A lot of what was taught during our first few classes were things that I took out into the interviews. And I actually, for the job that I am currently in, I got it while I was in the program, and I demoed my first course that I developed with Dr. Evans. So it was really instrumental. I felt that there was a lot of interaction. We were still able to create kind of like our own little community. So it never felt isolating whatsoever. Professors were very responsive. Dr. Evans was there throughout the entire process. And because my cohort was a little bit smaller, I think we all really got to know one another. And, luckily we have technology that helps us with those things, like the Zoom sessions and the discussion posts, and how we were able to give each other feedback. And there was a lot of feedback interactions throughout the classes as well. So it didn't feel isolated. It felt like we were creating our own little community. I would say invest in yourself. You're going to gain so much out of this program, and you'll see it immediately within the first class or two. The light bulbs start to go off, and you're going to definitely feel accomplished and confident in what you can do.